put together for 3 months called Davis kits. Best for men with extremely low sperm count or extreme oligospermia, asthenospermia or poor motility, teratospermia or abnormal sperm morphology, and for men who desire to enhance and restore their fertility speedily. Product description: Davis kit is formulated to balance the entire male hormone, regulate proper sperm production to boost sperm counts, enhance the motility and morphology of sperm, and support men with extremely low sperm counts to father a baby naturally. Product benefits: Davis kit helps expel pharmaceutical drug residue and other harmful toxins stored in the liver and blood safely. It balances hormone levels and stimulates the production of testosterone from the testes. It increases semen volume, sperm count, and motility, and improves sperm quality. It helps your body to absorb more nutrients as well as minerals and vitamins to support sperm production. It regulates levels of the hormones cortisol and testosterone, helping bring low levels back to normal. It supports the testes to produce healthy and active sperm. It increases blood circulation to the male reproductive system and helps maintain prostate health. It nourishes the testicular gland to help reduce the number of dead sperm and inactive sperm and increase the number of lively and active sperm. It prolongs the lifespan of the male reproductive organs and helps men father a baby naturally. You can order Davis kits now to restore your sperm health and fertility and triple your chances of becoming